here to discuss the lesson 14, panel discussion. So what is a panel discussion? It is a method that encourages the exchange of ideas that allow a panel members and the audience to discuss a particular topic. It is also a type of discussion where a group of people, usually experts in a particular field, come together to discuss a specific topic or issue. The panel typically consists of 3 to 7 individuals who share their perspectives, insights, and experiences related to the topic. It can also be used in the classroom as a performance task. So, panel discussion is breakdown into the various components. First is moderator, second is the panelist, and third is the topic. So, how do we conduct a panel discussion? First is the teacher will serve as moderator. The learners will act as subject areas. However, moderator is not a panelist. So why it is said that moderator is not a panelist? Unsa man di ang kalahian nilang duha? First, what is a moderator? A moderator is an individual or entity that helps to facilitate and manage online or face-to-face discussions, interactions, or debates between individual or groups. The primary goal of a moderator is to ensure that the conversations remains respectful, productive, and focused on the topic at hand. While the panelist is the experts who participates in the discussion, sharing their thoughts, opinions, and expertise regarding to the topic. So second, group the learners depending on the number of students. So when having a panel discussion, you have to group your students first, which depends on the population or the number of the students. Third, the moderator and the members should create a list of interview questions. So before having an actual panel discussion, the moderators and the members should or must create a list of interview question or possible interview question which can be used during the actual panel discussion. Fourth, during the pre-event interviews, the moderator should take good notes and discover interesting stories and opinions that each panelist can give. Last, the moderator, after the simple interview or the pre-interview, will then develop a final list of questions for the actual panel discussion. So after daw atong pre-interview or the simple interview, si moderator daw kay mag-list of questions which can be used in the actual panel discussion. And that questions kay nga gilis ni moderator kay pwede pa na siya i-improvise or i-modify para magamit actual na jud na panel discussion. Then room setups and logistics. So to have a lively discussion, slides should not be used to replace discussion. No, even though slides or presentation kay kanang useful siya when having a discussion, no, dili po din nato siya overuse when conducting a panel discussion kay kung overuse ang paggamit sa slides kay murag ma-replace na niya ang pagkuan sa discussion. Then second, don't put your panelist behind a table. It creates a formal notion and adds distance that prevents good interactions between the panelists and the audience. So, when having a panel discussion, never put your panelist behind a table. Nga distansya sa member or audiences kay posible nga dili sila magka-interact, walay engagement nga mahitabo kay layo man ang panelist. Then third, the best setup is for the panel discussion to be in a slight semicircle and comfortable chairs with the moderator sitting in the middle. So mas maayo daw nga ang setup or setup sa panel discussion kay semicircle or slight semicircle. Unya na ay mga comfortable chairs nga comfortable ra mo lingkod ang mga panelists, ang mga audiences, and then ang moderator kay naa sa center or sa middle. Then place the exact number of seats for the expected panelists. This gets people to sit close to the front so that the interactions can be better. So mag-prepare jud og sakto og enough na seats para sa mga panelists og dili siya kulang. Mas maayo nga kanang hinubra kaysa kulang. What if kanang daghan ang panelist dayon gamay ra ang seat nga imong gi-prepare. Then have a good microphone system ready. So when having a panel discussion, prepare a or make sure that the sound system, microphone system is ready. The moderator takes control. So the role of the moderator no is to take charge or take control of the whole flow of the panel discussion. So first, it is the moderator's job to prevent anyone from disrupting the discussion. So rule ni moderator nga i-avoid or i-prevent ang mga interruption during the discussion. The second, the moderator should introduce the panelists and the topics to be discussed. So, ang mag-introduce sa topic o sa panelists kay ang moderator jud. Then, the moderator asks questions, calling on one or two panelists for each question. So, the moderator will be the one to ask questions, call a panelist for the questions. Then, to ensure spontaneity, a moderator should be prepared with different sets of questions. So, para dili mahanging ang kanang flow or set sa panel discussion, dapat naka-prepare na jud og different or various sets of questions si moderator. Then make the discussion interactive by pulling the audience with a few questions. So not only di ay ang panelists ra ang imuhang kuanan o question, however, para ma-lively og interactive ang panel discussion kay apilon pud nimo ang audience or engage sad nimo ang imuhang audience. Then give the audience members a chance to participate. So mao na to siya gaan og chance or opportunity ang members para maka-participate. Then, timing is everything. No more than 40 minutes for the panel discussion, leaving 20 minutes for audience questions. And then, if lively and discussion, it could be 30 minutes. And that's the rule or the time rule for panel discussion. And to ensure audience participation, the teacher moderator can give questions to some audience members ahead of time. So dili lang sa akong giing ganina dili lang day ang panelists ang pwede kanang tagaan o questions no, however pwede sa di ay ang mga audiences. And in case the audience members want to take over, it is the role of the moderator to keep them in their seats and ensure the smooth flow of the activity. So, kay si moderator man ang mo take charge sa whole flow of the discussion. Si moderator kay mo facilitates the discussions, ensures everyone gets a chance to speak, and keep the conversation on track, no, avoiding or preventing anyone from any kanang interruption and disturbance during the discussion. So, that's all for the panel discussion. I hope you learned something. Thank you.